This is a place you surely don't want to miss when visiting Mount Fuji. With traditional Japanese houses, lots of interesting things to see, and of course, the best part, the view of Mount Fuji. Good morning from Japan. For today's video, we are going to take you to a village no one is talking about. We are here in Saiko Iyashi no Sato Nenba, and we will tour you around and show you why you need to visit this place. For the month of March to November, they are open every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The entry fee for adults is 500 yen and 350 yen for kids. You need to take the omnibus green line from Kawaguchiko station straight here. The journey will take about 40 minutes and cost 730 yen. We were so lucky that today was a clear day because we got to see Mount Fuji. There are more than 20 houses in here, and we will go to some interesting ones. The houses here have been converted into shops, restaurants, museums, and galleries. The first house we went to is a tea house. It has a traditional and rustic feel to it. The floor is covered in tatami mats. And the best part, they have kotatsu. And it's an ideal spot to unwind, rest, and keep your body warm because it's cold outside.
Oh, it's so warm inside.
They offer dangos with matcha, pig-shaped pudding, ice cream, kakigori, Korean rice, and lots of drinks to choose from.
So cute.
We ordered this dango and matcha set for 1,000 yen. Not bad.
Where's that?
I don't know. You can take your time and relax while taking in the seasonal landscape and the view of Mount Fuji. The second house is where the watermill is. This is how it looks like inside. The third house was very interesting. They have a huge display of dolls. In this house, you will know the tragic story of this village. Well, this place was a former farm village, but it was destroyed by a landslide during a typhoon in 1966. Then 40 years later, the village has been renovated and reopened as an open-air museum and traditional craft village. House number 9 is definitely our favorite. In here, you can relax in a kotatsu with an amazing view of Mount Fuji. You can use this place for free and for as long as you want. Here, you can rent a kimono or a samurai armor for 2,000 yen. They have a lot of kimonos and armors to choose from, but we weren't allowed to film inside. They also have katanas and shurikens. And upstairs, they have a black bear on display. There is an art gallery in this house. You can see many original artworks inspired by Mount Fuji, Japanese folktales, and Japanese nature. In our next stop, we visited an incense shop. You can mix different scents and make your own incense bag here. What caught our attention was this piece of work. It looks like a fungus growing on a log. This is a ceramic store. The room is filled with figurines, dinnerware, and other ceramic items. It is also interesting to see the owner's collection of figurines of owls. This store sells Japanese silk scarves, ties, and other accessories. Since it's made of 100% silk, the products are quite pricey. The interesting thing about this shop is that they sell cocoon silk. This store is so fascinating because it is covered with hanging decorations. They have lots of different designs that are so cool. For lunch, we went to the only restaurant we saw in the village. We ordered tsukimen, which is ramen noodles dipped into a soup, and kakeage udon, which is udon noodles with vegetable tempura. The total was 1,980 yen for both meals, and it was cheap and very tasty as well. Last stop is the souvenir shop. they also have a store at the parking area where they're selling fruits and snacks. Better check them out. If you're planning to travel to Japan, make sure to add this to your list. It is a wonderful location and it is one of the most underrated gem of Mount Fuji.
Bye guys.
guys.
Thanks for watching.
See you on our next video.